What's good, YouTube? It's Davon, back with another video. It's been a while, but today we're gonna be doing another bike check. Probably my favorite one I've ever done of all time, so here we go. Here it is. Beautiful bike. Probably on par with like my first Fiend bike. So I love that bike. I love this one too. So let's get started. So starting off with the frame, you have a Fiend V3 Morrow frame, Time Morrow signature frame. So great frame, I love it. Raw red blood splatter. Love it. 21-inch top tube. Yeah, so let's go on to the headset. I got a BSD headset with a whole lot of spaces in it. I'm tall, so I don't really care about it. Had the limited edition Odyssey Boss stem, Aaron Ross's signature stem, and the Cyan. It's Cyan. Yeah, moving on. We have the Odyssey 10-4 bars, looking extra dusty, chrome. They're not cut. 30 inches wide, 10 inches tall, 4-degree upsweep, 10-4. Sure, the stolen Sean Morr grips. They're really good, and these bar ends are really good. I love them a lot. Thermalite, nice and light. Moving on, we have the classic yellow seat post that I've had forever. Got a bike light on here. Stay safe out there, guys. Next, got the Primo V2 Pro seat. My favorite seat, most comfortable seat. I love these seats. Had the V1, moved on to the V2 when this came out. So yeah, it's great. So next we have the Primo Turbo pedals. These are Connor Keating's pedals. I love the JJ Palmer pedals. These are bigger than these ones and have these little thingies on here, so it's good for like crank arm slides. So I got next up the bolts, Odyssey Thunderbolts 175. Put in a lot of work in these. Had them for about 3 years and they're still going strong. Might switch to 165 soon, I'm not sure yet. But next we got the Sprocket, Odyssey Fang Sprocket, cyan blue just like the stem. Really love this Sprocket, nice and light. Next we got the Shadow Supreme chain, and I don't really care much about a chain guard because I don't really hit my Sprocket like that. Shadow Conspiracy Supreme chain, chrome. Love this chain. Never use another chain, a little bit of black on there. Yeah, let's go on to the wheels. We have the BSD westcoaster, a right-hand drive. Laced to the cyan blue Gsport ribcage, not the roll cage, the ribcage. Really like it. And on the back we have a Primo 555C tire. It's probably, I honestly like these more than Adonis Streets. They have a little more grip because of the tread. Yeah, and I don't know, I might get the Morrow tire soon, but we'll see. 2.45, nice and fat, really good for tire rides. Yeah, going to the front wheel, we have a Gsport. Oh yeah, on the back there's a Gsport Uniguard, hub guard on there. It's really good. Let's go to the front wheel. We have the Gsport Roloway hub. This is the only front hub I will ever ride, ever. I will never switch to another one. Laced, of course, to a Gsport ribcage, cyan blue rim, and Primo 555C tire, Connor Keating signature tire. Love it. And then last but not least, we have the forks. We have the R15s, Odyssey R15s that just came out. Just got them. Really good for nose manuals. You get right in there. I absolutely love these things. And then pegs, we have the BSD pegs. 4.2 inches, I believe. They're shorties, but I don't really care. They're really nice. Really good. All four. So yeah, that's my bike check. Thanks for watching. So yeah, that was my bike check. Thanks for watching. I'm almost finished with school, so I'm start pushing out some more BMX videos and maybe some cooking videos. I don't know. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.